Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be making another powerful hair growth spray using cloves. Please make use of cloves powder if that's what you have. Cloves contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. So this is the jar I'm going to be using for proper infusion, and I'm not going to be specific with the measurements. So yeah. So I let it sit for 2 days, and this is what the water looks like. The water has darkened and the hairspray is ready to be used, and I'm just going to transfer this in a different bowl. So there are two ways you can use this hairspray. You can use it as a leave-in hairspray or a tea lens. So in my case, I'm going to use it as a leave-in hairspray, and I've got my tools ready right here. Let's get started. Allow me to walk you through my simple but effective moisturizing routine. So I've got my leave-in spray, my hair butter, and my oil. So these three things for me, they go hand in hand. It's very important to moisturize your hair. Moisturizing your hair helps your hair in thriving, being soft and more defined. Moisturizing your hair also helps your hair from getting dry, frizzy and brittle. So don't be lazy when it comes to moisturizing your hair. This is very important. Don't sleep on it, guys. So this is a simple hairstyle that I was able to come up with in the last minute. So tell me what you think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below and let's chat. Okay, we've now come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.